Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking you on a journey to Playa Macao, a beautiful beach in the heart of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic.
I want you to grab somebody sexy.
Playa Macao is a public beach that offers a unique blend of local culture and natural beauty. As soon as we arrived, we were greeted by the warm smiles of the locals, eager to share their slice of paradise with us. One of the highlights of visiting Playa Macao is the opportunity to interact with the locals, who are always happy to engage in conversation and share their stories. We couldn't resist indulging in some souvenir shopping and trying the refreshing coconut water straight from the source. And let's talk about the beach itself. With its pristine sands and crystal clear waters, Playa Macao is a paradise for beach lovers. The waves here are perfect for simply lounging by the shore, soaking in the sun. Now, it's important to mention that while Playa Macao is a beautiful spot, it may not be as meticulously maintained as some of the resort beaches in the area. But don't let that deter you. The natural charm and authentic experience make it a must-visit destination in Punta Cana. Thank you. So, whether you're looking to soak up the sun, mingle with the locals, or simply unwind in a picturesque setting, Playa Macao has something for everyone. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining us on this adventure to Playa Macao. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Until next time, happy exploring.
Get